Hello students, this is question number 11 of exercise 2.2. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? Students, in this question, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Okay? So, first of all, we have to take the age of Baichung. Let Baichung's age be X years. And his father is, Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. So, father says his father's age be X plus 29 years. Okay, student? And his grandfather's age, his grandfather's age is B, his father's age plus 26 years, X plus 29 plus 26, that is 6, 9, 15, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, X plus 55. Clear, student? Now, the sum of their ages according to question, sum of their ages means X plus 29 plus X plus 55 is equal to 135. Sum of all three age is 135 years. Okay, so X plus X, here 3X plus 29 and 55. Okay, student? So 9, 5, this one 14, 4, 5, 2, 7, 1, 8 plus 84 is equal to 135. So 3X is equal to 135 minus 84. Okay, 3X is equal to this one 1 here and 13 minus 8, that is 5, 51. X is equal to 51 upon this 3 and divide this 17 3 ja 51. So, X is equal to 17 years. Whose age is X? Baichung's age. Okay? So, Baichung's age is equal to 17 years. His father says, is equal to X plus 29 means X, that is 17 plus 29. Okay, students? So, this one 9, 7, 16, 6, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 46 years. His father's age is 46 years and Baichung's age is this. His grandfather's age, is, what is grandfather's age? X plus 55. X plus 55, it means 17 plus 55. Okay, 7, 5, 12, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 72 years. So age of Baichung is 17 years, his father age is 46 years and his grandfather age is 72 years. Now we will solve question number 12. Now this is question number 12, student, and in this question it is given that 15 years from now Rabi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Rabi's present age? So solution. First of all, we have to take Rabi's present age. Let Rabi's present age be x years. ओके स्टूडेंट, रवि की प्रेजेंट एज को हमने x years कंसीडर कर लिया, यहाँ पर ले लिया. स्टूडेंट्स, if the Ravi's present age is x year, then after 15 year what will be his age? Okay, after 15 years Ravi's age will be x plus 15. ओके स्टूडेंट, अब से 15 ईयर के बाद रवि की एज में 15 ईयर प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, what is the condition? 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times, okay, his present age. What is Ravi's present age? After 15 years Ravi's age is x plus 15 year and present age is x year, so it will be 4 times. 4 times of present age means 4 into x is equal to x plus 15. If we multiply 4 by the in the present age of Ravi, then it will be 4 into x, that is 4x is equal to x plus 15. So 4x minus x after transposing variable one side, that is 15, and 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3, that is 5. 3. Ravi's present age is equal to 5 years. ओके स्टूडेंट, रवि की जो प्रेजेंट एज होगी वो कितनी होगी? 5 ईयर. अगर इसको हमें चेक करना है स्टूडेंट, तो कैसे हम चेक करेंगे? तो जो कंडीशन है उसी कंडीशन में इस एज को हम रख देते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. प्रेजेंट एज 5 ईयर है. आफ्टर 15 ईयर हिज एज विल बी 5 plus 15, that will be 20, and 20 is 4 times of 5. Okay, so 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So condition is completed here. जो कंडीशन थी यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो जाती है कि उस एज का 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. तो अगर हम इसमें 15 ऐड कर दिया हमने प्रेजेंट एज में, तो 20 हो जाएगा, और 25 का 4 टाइम्स है, तो सेकंड कंडीशन भी यहाँ कंप्लीट हो जा रही है. इसलिए सोल्यूशन हमारा करेक्ट है. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. इन दिस क्वेश्चन, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Students, in this question it is given that denomination is rupees 100, 50 and 10. नोट्स कौन कौन सी हैं? जो करेंसीज हैं उनके पास वो 100 रुपीज़ की नोट्स हैं, 50 रुपीज़ की नोट्स हैं और 10 रुपीज़ की नोट्स हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज गिवन हियर, दैट इज they are in the ratio 2:3:5. 100 रुपीज़ की नोट, 50 रुपीज़ की नोट्स और 10 रुपीज़ की नोट्स का जो रेशियो है वो 2:3:5 है स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ रेशियो दिया गया है. एंड द टोटल कैश, टोटल अमाउंट सी हैव is rupees 4 lakhs. Okay students, so first of all we have to take this ratio and the denomination of the notes. Let, so solution here, solution, let the number of 100 rupees notes number of 100 rupees notes be, what is ratio? 2. So x and the ratio, that is 2x, and the number of 50 rupee notes be 3x, and the number of 10 rupees, number of 10 rupee notes be 5x. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमने जो रेशियो दिया गया नोट्स का उसी को हमने रेशियो को एक साथ कर लिया नोट्स के. जो 100 रुपीज़ की नोट्स हैं, 50 रुपीज़ की नोट्स हैं और 10 रुपीज़ की नोट्स को हमने 2x, 3x और 5x के रेशियो में यहाँ कंसीडर कर लिया. ओके, एंड द टोटल कैश विद लक्ष्मी इज रुपीज 4 lakhs. स्टूडेंट्स, अब टोटल अमाउंट ये क्या है? नंबर ऑफ नोट्स है. तो 100 की अगर 2x नोट्स हैं तो इसकी अमाउंट कितनी होगी, इसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू क्या होगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ 100 rupee notes, then 50 rupees notes, then 10 rupees notes, because this is the number of notes only. But what will be the actual value? What will be the actual amount? If there are 2x notes, so we have to multiply it by 100 because each note has 100 rupees denomination. जो प्रत्येक नोट है उनकी वैल्यू कितनी है? सबकी 100 rupees है. So value of our amount of 100 rupee notes, total amount of 100 rupee notes value into this one value into number of notes, that will be 200x. Okay students, total amount of 50 rupee notes, that will be 50 into denomination, this one 50 into 3x, and that will be 150x. Okay students, and again total amount of 10 rupee notes is equal to 10 into 5x, and that will be 5 10 ja 50x. Now total amount is given here, and these are the amounts of the denomination of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. So total amount is equal to 4 lakhs. Okay students, so total amount, from where we get total amount? This one 100 rupee note, 50 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes, total amount. Okay, so 200x plus 150x plus 50x. Okay students, so this one 4 lakhs. Now 200, 150, 350 and 50, 400. Okay, 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. Then x is equal to 4 lakhs upon 400. So reduce this, and 4 1 ja 4, that will be 1000. Okay, what is the value of Ex here? 1000. So now we have to find out the number of currencies each: 100 rupees currencies, 50 rupees currencies and 10 rupees currencies. Okay students, so in this number of 100 rupee currencies 2x, okay, 2x, so it will be 2 into 1000. How many notes are of 100 rupees? That is 2000 notes. 50 rupee notes, that is 3x, that is 3 into 1000 and 3000 notes of 50 rupees, 2000 notes of 100 rupees. Okay, and 10 rupee notes, number of 10 rupee notes, that is 5x is equal to 5 into 1000, that is 5000 notes. Okay students, so these are the denomination, number of notes of each denomination. 100 rupees की 2000 notes हैं, 50 rupees की 3000 notes हैं और 10 rupees की 5000 notes हैं. अब टोटल इसको अगर हम 2000 नोट्स को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो टोटल वैल्यू इसकी हो जाएगी स्टूडेंट्स 2 lakhs. इसको 3000 को अगर 50 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1,50,000 और 5000 नोट्स को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बिकॉज ईच नोट्स आर ऑफ रुपीज़ 10 रुपीज़ की सभी नोट्स हैं तो ये 50,000 हो जाएगा. और टोटल इसको हम करेंगे तो ये 2 lakhs, 1,50,000 एंड 50,000, दैट विल बी 4 lakhs. टोटल अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा? 4 lakhs हो जाएगा. तो हम अपने आंसर को इस तरह से चेक भी कर सकते हैं. बट इन योर क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ करेंसीज ऑफ ईच डिनोमिनेशन. सिर्फ जो सभी डिनोमिनेशन की नोट्स हैं उनके नंबर बताना है कि कितनी कितनी नोट्स हैं. सो आवर आंसर इज दिस ओनली. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 student. In this question a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Students, in this question it is given that if we multiply a number by 5 by 2, we don't know about the number, we have to multiply that number by 5 by 2 and in the product we have to add 2 by 3, then we will get minus 7 by 12. We have to find out the number. Okay students, so solution. Let the number be x. Okay, according to question, when we multiply this number by 5 by 2, it means x into 5 by 2 and add the product 2 by 3, we get minus 7 by 12. Okay student, now this is an equation and we have to solve this equation. Okay, so this one 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12, and in the next step transpose the numbers on the right hand side. Okay, 5x by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 12, and this one plus here, and if we are going to change this side, then it will be minus 2 by 3. Now take the LCM of 2 by 3 and 3 and 12, that will be 12. Okay student, so this one 12 here, so this one minus 7 and 3 4 ja 12, therefore minus 2 4 ja 8. Okay student, minus 8, and this one 5x by 2. Clear? So 5x by 2 is equal to minus 8 and minus 7, minus 15 by 12. Clear student? And 5 by 2 is multiplied here with the x. So if we are going to change the side, then it will be 2 will be multiplied and 5 will be division. Okay? So x is equal to that will be minus 15 by 12 into 2 by 5. Clear? 2 6 ja and 5 3 ja. Okay student, that is x is equal to minus 3 by 6 is equal to x is equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, minus 1 by 2. This is the answer student, this is the number. Here is question number 15, and in this question it is given that I have a total of rupees 300 coins of denominations of rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupee 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupee 5 coins. The total number of coin is 160. How many coins of each denominations with me? Students, इस क्वेश्चन में 1 रुपीज़ 2 रुपीज़ और 5 रुपीज़ के कॉइन्स हैं. डिनोमिनेशन उनका कितना है? 1 रुपीज़ 2 रुपीज़ एंड 5 रुपीज़. एंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ coin is 160, and the total value of that coin is rupees 300. So we have to find out how many coins of each denomination with me. अब हमको ये पता करना है, ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि हमारे पास 1 रुपीज़ के कितने कॉइन्स हैं, 2 रुपीज़ के कितने कॉइन्स हैं और 5 रुपीज़ के कितने कॉइन्स हैं. बट वन कंडीशन इज गिवन हियर, द नंबर ऑफ 2 रुपी कॉइन इज 3 टाइम्स द नंबर ऑफ 5 रुपी कॉइन्स. सो दिस लेट द नंबर ऑफ 5 रुपी कॉइन्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स. 5 रुपीज़ के एक्स कॉइन्स हमारे पास. नाउ रुपीज़ 2, द नंबर ऑफ रुपीज़ 2 कॉइन्स 3 टाइम्स ऑफ 5 रुपी कॉइन्स, दैट इज 3x. ओके. एंड नंबर ऑफ 1 रुपी कॉइन, number of rupee 1 coin, it will be total minus coin of rupee 5 and plus 2. Okay, so 160 minus this x plus 3x, that is 160 minus 4x. This will be 1 rupee coin, number of 1 rupee coins. Okay, so 5 rupee coin x, 2 rupee coin 3x and 1 rupee coin is 160 minus 4x. Clear students? And the total value of the coin is rupee 300. According to question, x plus 3x plus 160 minus 4x इज इक्वल टू 300. Okay students, now we have to find out the value of each denomination of coins. जो 1 रुपीज़ की कॉइन है, 5 रुपीज़ की कॉइन है और 2 रुपीज़ की कॉइन है, उन सब की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करना है. टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ 5 रुपीज़ 5 coins will be, how many coins are there? X, and each coin is of 5 rupees. So 5 into X. Okay. Amount of rupee 2 coins, that is 3. 2 into 3x, that is 6x. Okay student. And amount of rupee 1 coins, 1 rupees coins का अमाउंट कितना होगा? दैट इज 1 इंटू 160 माइनस 4x इज इक्वल टू 160 माइनस 4x. 1 से अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे स्टूडेंट तो इसमें चेंजिंग नहीं होगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, according to question, that is total amount, total amount that is rupees 300. Okay. So total amount, from where we find the total amount? This one plus this one plus this one. Okay. So 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. Clear student? So 5, 6, 11 minus 4, 7x plus 160 is equal to 300. Or this 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, and this will be 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, 140. Clear student? So x is equal to 140 divided by 7, that is 20. What is the value of x? 20. So number of rupee 5 coins or rupee 1 coins is equal to 160 minus 4x, that is 160 minus 4 into 20, that is 160 minus 80, that is 80 coins. 1 rupees के कितने coins हैं? 80 coins. Clear students? Now rupees 2, number of rupees 2 coins, that is, how many coins are there? 3x, that is 3 into x. What is the value of x? That is 20, is equal to 60 coins. 60 coins. And number of rupee 5 coins, that is x, that is 20. This one 20 coins. स्टूडेंट्स 5 रुपीज़ के 20 coins हैं, 2 रुपीज़ के 60 coins हैं और 1 रुपीज़ के 80 coins हैं. अब Okay students, this is question number 16 of exercise 2.2, the last question, and the question is the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of ₹25. The total prize money distributed is ₹3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participant is 63. Students, इस क्वेश्चन में जो ऐसे कंपटीशन है उसमें जो विनर्स हैं उनको ₹100 का प्राइज़ मिलेगा और जो पार्टिसिपेंट सिर्फ पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं, विनर्स नहीं हैं, उनको ₹25 का प्राइज़ मिलेगा और टोटल प्राइज़ जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया वो ₹3000 है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ विनर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब हमको ये पता लगाना है कितने स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे थे जो कंपटीशन में विनर्स थे. सॉल्यूशन स्टूडेंट, लेट द नंबर ऑफ विनर्स बी X. विनर्स की संख्या हमने यहाँ पर डिसाइड कर लिया स्टूडेंट्स कि X है. नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स आर पार्टिसिपेंट्स हु डज नॉट विन, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स who does not win, विनर्स X हैं और टोटल कैंडिडेट 63, टोटल पार्टिसिपेंट 63 हैं. तो X अगर विनर्स हैं तो वो पार्टिसिपेंट कितने होंगे जो विन नहीं किए हैं, हु डज नॉट विन, दैट इज 63 माइनस X. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? एंड विनर्स को कितने रुपीज़ मिले? विनर्स को ₹100 पर कैंडिडेट और जो इसमें सिर्फ पार्टिसिपेंट हैं जिन्होंने इस कंपटीशन को विन नहीं किया उनको ₹25. ओके, एंड टोटल अमाउंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड दैट इज ₹3000. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन टोटल अमाउंट given to winners that is 100 into X. Okay, total amount given to winners that is 100 into X, that is 100X. Clear student? Number of candidate X and each one get a prize of ₹100, so that is 100X. Total amount given to participant who does not win, that is number of candidate and price, each one get ₹25. So 25 into 63 minus X. Okay, according to question the total price distributed that is 100X plus 25 into 63 minus X is equal to 3000. Clear student? Now this one 100X plus 63 into 25 63 multiplied by 25, that is 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30 and 31. This one 2 3 ja 6 and 2 6 ja 12. Okay, that is 5 7, and this one 5 6 1 7 3 2 5 and 1 1575 plus 575 minus 25x is equal to 3000. Okay, students? So this one 100x minus 25x, that is 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575. Okay, students? Now 75x is equal to, subtract this one 1425, x is equal to 1425 by 75, divide it by 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 8 ja 40 and 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja and 5 5 ja, again by 5, that is 5 5 ja 25 and 5 7 ja 35, again 5 3 ja and 57 by 3, that is 19. Okay, students? So total winners, number of winners, that is 9.